Hello everyone, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amrita. I hope you all are doing well. So I am going to prepare a simple Rava Kheer today in Food Chemistry's kitchen. So this has been offered to Mahalaxmi on the occasion of Mahalaxmi Pujan. So today we are going to offer it to Goddess Mahalaxmi. For that you require very basic ingredients. I have taken 2 tablespoons of jaggery. I am not going to use sugar, but you can use brown sugar or white sugar instead of this. This is 1 cup Suji, which is very fine. So this is known as Chiruti Suji. You will get this easily in the market. And ghee to roast our rava. It is 2 tablespoons. And this is 1 cup of full cream milk. So you just require very simple things and we can just start the kheer making process. Suji kheer, we require 1 kadhai. So let's turn on the gas and heat the kadhai. So the kadhai is now heated up. It's now time to put ghee. Here we will roast a very little amount of time for the rava so that it gets nice texture. So I'm putting rava. Make sure you keep the gas flame on low because it is very thin and it can get burnt. So please make sure that you keep the gas flame on low. Roast it properly. While you are roasting this rava or this chiruti suji, it will give very nice texture once it gets mixed with the ghee. You can see that. Keep stirring the rava on a consistent manner because we want the rawness to be removed. So we have to keep stirring. And once the aroma starts coming, then we will start putting the other ingredients. I have roasted the rava in a very proper way. Now it's time to put milk. So let's start with that. Here it will form a very thick dough, so you have to keep stirring it and keep the gas flame on low. Since all that rava or that chiruti suji will absorb the milk, you can put little more milk if required. Keep stirring it. So here I am adding little bit of milk to maintain the consistency of my payasam or kheer. And now finally I am going to add the jaggery powder and going to mix it well. So my simple recipe for today's festival is ready. The Rava Kheer for the Goddess Mahalaxmi is ready to serve. You can see that. It's very simple and easy to make, especially during the hectic times of festival. I am going to garnish my Rava Kheer with little bit of nutmeg powder and going to dress it with the slice of bananas. You can also make use of dry fruits, but I am going to try something different, so this will give nice flavoring and theme to my Rava Kheer. So here it is. I hope you like my simple Rava Kheer recipe. Most of the people often say Payasam, so it's one and the same. You can try this recipe during your festival time and Please support and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video.